Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I have to make a beautiful decor with the cardboard skewers and plastic spoons. First of all, I made a circle. I made two circles and I put the skewers like a sun design, and I colored the skewers with the silver color marker. If you have any paint, spray paint, you will use it. I don't have that, that's why I will use this one. And now put the plastic spoons to make a flower in the center of the circle. Now I will make a circle of jute. Then I put this circle in the center of the spoon. It is looking very beautiful. Now I color the spoon with a silver paint. Now I put in the wall, and now it is not complete. It is now I will made a golden color leaves with old yeah, that is ready now, and now it is looking very beautiful in my wall. I hope you like, share and subscribe.